So hey guys, welcome to my first vlog. This is the making of my first custom mechanical keyboard. What I'm making is the Skylong GK64 custom layout. Kind of not unboxing this because I already looked at what's inside, but for video reasons, for video purposes, we'll unbox it. So when we open the box, normally there would be a manual here and the keyboard itself is in a plastic, but I already removed it. So here is the keyboard. As you can see, it's heavier than I expected actually. So it's a black plastic case. It's RGB, that's important. It's RGB. We have a 64 key layout, and then this is a removable Type-C. So other things that are inside the box are a new Type-C cable, which is braided, so it's really nice. And then we have this is a modular replacement. So in normal keyboards we have a long spacebar. Now we can use this to replace this long spacebar. So you can see it has screws here. We can replace it and use this so that we can have a split spacebar. One keycap here and one keycap here for spacebar, but I don't like that, so we won't be using that. Now, before we begin dismantling or assembling the keyboard itself, let's try it on first because this is supposed to work already. So 1, 2, 3. Bam! That's pretty. It's RGB. It's RGB. I think it has a software wherein I can customize what RGB colors it will display. I'm gonna talk about the parts first. So this is the case. Obviously, this is the case of the keyboard. The one underneath it, this black part right here, is the PCB. This is the brain of the keyboard. These are the stabilizers. They stabilize the long keys such as the left shift, left shift, spacebar. This is enter, and this is backspace. Let's get the switches. So these are my switches. These are Gateron Yellows. They're the cheapest linear switch here in the market of mechanical keyboards. So yeah, I lubed this for about, I don't know, I lubed it in 3 different sessions, I think, because it really takes a long time. I think all in all I took about 4 hours lubing each and every one of these switches. So we'll just go ahead and insert them here. Okay, that's 1, 2. Make sure the pins aren't bent so that they will work. 3. Try to count it. Okay, I won't count. Okay, that's 3. So Gateron Yellows work very well with RGB because of the top casing. Is that called top casing? Top housing, with that translucent top housing. Okay, last key. There you have it. Now, before we put the keycaps on, which is the last part, we need to make sure that all of the switches are working. Now to do that, we use this. Okay. 7, 8, 9, 0. I believe this is dash, K slash, backslash, caps lock, A, S, D, F, D, H, J, K, L, colon, quotation, enter, left shift. There you go. And it's all working. Nice, nice, nice. Let's get that out of the way. Now for the last part, the keycaps. This is very cheap packaging, but these are the keycaps that I ordered. Not very fancy, very simple and minimalistic look of orange. I don't know what color this is. Cream and black keycaps. Let me open it. I'm now opening the keycaps. Backspace. First things first, backspace. There you go. Oh, the long keys first. Spacebar. Oh. The stabilizer. Windows. Okay. 6. Now, what do we put here? Do I put the app? Yeah, it's here, and it's done. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Wow, it looks amazing. But these keycaps are not really RGB friendly. Light doesn't shine through. So let's do it. Let's test it out. Oh, that's sad. You really can't see the RGB, but it's fine. So, typing test. Where's my stress? I really can't type it out. Stress. There you go. Oh my god. Wow. This sounds so different. Oh, you're gonna see how slow I type. You race. No thanks. Let's go. Ah, wait. Oh. Oh my god. This is very. Oh my god, I'm not gonna type fast. I'm just gonna enjoy this one. Scene from ancient grudge, break to new mutiny. Where's what? Dude, lubed switches are really amazing. Fatal loins of these two foes up there. I need to get used to this keyboard. Oh my god. Vitus, how do you even type that? Overthrows doth with their bury their parents. Oh my god, I'm so bad. Okay, that's 45. That's the slowest that I've got. Wow, this is really amazing. Anyway, that's it for my custom building. Building of my custom mechanical keyboard. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.